since he has returned from service yesterday on superannuation, will be and his pen name is ADP, as everybody knows. So in fact, it's a great loss for our organization because IT Seva was not functioning for the past, all are aware of that, but past 10 years it was not at all functioning. So as far as was the vice president at All India body. So in fact, he had a very close relation with Mostly Sir, who is our general secretary of All India unit, and so they had a discussion and he took the initiative to form the IT Seva in Karnataka Goa unit. So because of his leadership and his initiative, today we are here. Otherwise, this IT Seva was blocked for nearly 10 years, and it was a mess here. And even Baba Saheb Ambedkar birthday was not being celebrated. Here that it was being celebrated. After which it was not celebrated, and all the credit goes to our So in fact, last week I asked him when we wanted to have a police station to serve her. So he said, even on 31st of September. First we will have him get together, because first Madhyana they had a lunch party at office of the CCA. Sir, so sir will be missing you a lot. Not only the formation of the credit of formation of even academically you are well versed, and in fact you have helped most of our members, other than our members also. They used to go to sir and they used to get the details and updates everything. In fact, we have seen in the groups, like everybody, like I came with this case, that case, and reported the case last one, based on the tradition was made. So very interested to be even in appeals. The same thing yesterday I told you the retirement function also. So today we are gathered here. In fact, this IT Seva, the new company, was started about 1.5 years. So since 1.5 years, we have not received any complaints. Like normally in Tamil Nadu and Andhra, they will write a letter to President or Secretary. Say my promotion in the I want this transfer, that nothing was. We did not receive anything. So that shows our mother organization, ITF and IT is taking care of it. In fact, Rajeshwari is also in that thing. Bani sir. Bani ನೀವು ಬನ್ನಿ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೋಪಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಮುಂಚೆ ಹಾಕಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ Bani,